Hello Gun Forest. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get some of that cardboard, those Amazon boxes or whatever kind of boxes you have around your house, and make them into paper so you can use them for our recycled or colored paper 3D sculpture that we'll be working on. So check it out. So for this, you're going to need a box. As you can see, this is a cardboard box. I have some stuff in it, and I'm only going to rip out this part of the flap. You might want to have an adult help you cut it because you will need some scissors or maybe a knife to cut it through. So have one of your adults in the house help you cut it. You can also try tearing it, but it's not going to be as easy. Next, you're going to fill a bowl with water. Again, if you are able to use a bathtub or something, you can put the entire piece of cardboard as is, but because I don't have that, I'm going to cut them into rectangles. You can see that cardboard has lines, so if you cut against those lines, it's easier to cut, and you won't need an adult for this part. But I'm going to cut them into 3 different sections. Remember, we're going to get paper or the equivalent of paper from this, so it does not have to be big pieces because we will be gluing them together. This cardboard does have some tape on it, so I'm going to go and rip it. Tape off, actually. It probably would have come off had I left it, but I'm going to put the cardboard in the water. I'm going to dip it in there, make sure that it gets nice and wet. And you're going to leave it in there for roughly 5 minutes or so. All right, guys, so it's been about a few minutes. I'm going to show you what it's going to start to look like. As you can see, the paper is starting to peel off, and this one is actually ready. So make sure that when you start peeling back the cardboard, you do not pull too hard. Okay, see, like this one, I'm kind of pulling a little bit harder just to show you what happens. It is ready though, but if you are pulling and it is just not peeling off, don't rip it too hard, otherwise you will rip the cardboard, which is not the end of the world. But if we're going for some nice paper here, the middle of the part, as you can see, the cardboard is being broken down, and you can see the 3 pieces that make cardboard. See, like right there, I just ripped it. That's okay, we're gonna keep going. Let's see. I'm gonna go around. It's coming off pretty nicely. Just like that. And I'm putting the wet pieces of cardboard on a towel, and I'm gonna leave mine in my bathtub so that it dries out. All right, guys, so it's been about 20-ish minutes that I've let this dry. It's not completely dry yet, it's just cold, but as you can see, we have paper now. And what's really cool is that the middle part of the cardboard, so you'll get 1 piece, you'll get 2 pieces of this and 1 piece of this for your cardboard when you do this. It's textured, so this would be really nice to put on the outside part of your sculpture. And then this will obviously be good as paper. You can use it just like paper if you want to draw it, if you want to cut it into small pieces, if you want to roll it up into different shapes. We'll get into some more of those type of techniques later, but this is a good way if you don't have any paper, but you have a bunch of boxes, cut those boxes up, put them in water, just like this video, and then you'll have some recycled cardboard paper to use for a future project. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I can't wait to see what we make for our sculpture project, and good luck trying this if you are doing it at home.